Hello, my wonderful friends. How are you today? And today we're going to talk about getting refocused and back from the holiday mindset. Yes, I said holiday mindset. You and I have both been there. We have our holidays, we had our Thanksgiving, we had family over, we've entertained, we've hosted, we've cooked, we've baked that pumpkin pie. We had the kids all weekend. The kids are finally back in school. Whew. And now it comes Monday and Tuesday morning. You're trying to get refocused and get back into things. And right now, this is my coffee time. See, I got my holiday cup coming up out here now. It's time to get refocused. And it's hard to get back in that groove. We've had company come in from out of town. I know I have. I'm sure you did too. We had to go places to meet other members of our family. And after the holidays, it's kind of just sitting down Monday morning and kind of with a cup of coffee or a hot tea and saying, whew, it's been a long weekend. And it's like, oh, I thought of getting up early in the morning, and the holidays are over with. Where did they go? I know that's how I feel. And I have talked to so many of you, and I appreciate all of you that I've talked to. And the one common thing that comes up with the holidays is the mindset. We were in the Thanksgiving mindset. We had a business mindset. We had a business mindset, and we're trying to get the Thanksgiving, get all that prepared, and do the business at the same time. Then we're in the Thanksgiving mode with the entertaining, the hosting, family, company, enjoying ourselves. And then 4 days later, we are back to work with the business, trying to get into the business mindset, and you're sitting there going, oh my gosh, I can't think. I really need to get back into the groove. And at the same time, you're thinking, I got to get my Christmas stuff up. I got to get the tree up. I got to get this. I've got my tree up. And thanks to one of my besties helped me fluff the tree because we have an artificial tree. She's great at making it look full and making it look fantastic. And it's perfect now. Now all I got to do is get the decorations going and get all that decorated, and I'll be, get that out of the way. Because let's face it, people, tomorrow's the first of the month already. It's December. Whew, where'd the time go? Now, what I am finding, what I'm really finding from talking to you with the mindset and what's going on, when after a big break like that, we really need to redirect. And because now we're going from Thanksgiving mindset to the Christmas mindset, where we're thinking, okay, Christmas is less than 25 days away, or basically 25 days away. I got to get, like I said, you got to get the Christmas stuff up. You want to do a little at a time. You're trying to work. You're trying to do everything again at once. And it's a lot. And I realized this weekend, with a lot of you trying to get your lights up while the weather's sort of in between halfway decent, getting the lights up outside, you're like, whew, this is overwhelming. I just want to get it done. I've got other things to do. I got work I got to get done. That is where the redirection is constantly coming in. We've got to redirect ourselves. We got to be smart to say, okay, I need to just take a coffee break for 5 minutes, get refocused, get redirected, and get back on the path. That is what happens after the long holiday weekend. And it's expected. Now, I do want to mention December's challenge is coming up. And thanks to you guys, an overwhelming, massive response. it's going to be on, we're going to do an office challenge. Now, those of you that know already, I'm currently in the process of moving my desk from one area and from one room into another room. I'm working on that. I'm getting that ready and getting that going. And I've talked to so many of you that are like, hey, my desk is not working. I got to figure something out, whether I'm moving it or what I'm going to do with it. I've got paper all over the place. We're going to answer all those questions in the challenge. The challenge is going to be the week of December 13th. So I want to announce that to you. So go ahead, invite a friend, get them into the challenge with you so that you have accountability partner. And this kind of challenge is going to be a little bit different. It's not going to be the same as the last couple months. I'm adding some different stuff to it. It's going to make it more interesting. You're going to love it. So go ahead, spread the word. Get it out there about this challenge. I'll have more news coming on it later. And remember, when you get stuck with that mindset, kind of get out of that holiday mindset, get back into the work mode, yes, you're going to have to redirect yourself many times because we're also trying to get the other holiday, the Christmas holiday stuff, we're trying to get all that put in there. Or the Hanukkah, depending on your family. You're trying to get all that put together. Redirect yourself, refocus, take a breather, take a break, grab your coffee. And I will see you guys in the office challenge. So if your desk needs to be redone or reworked, revamped, whatever it is, and your paper's decluttered, comment below. Let me know, what do you need to do with your desk? What's going on? And I will see you guys in Deb's Decorative Life Tips and Inspiration group, which is where the challenge is going to take place. And I hope you ladies have a wonderful day. And I will see you next Thursday afternoon. Wait till you see what I got planned for the live. Bye!